My name is Kyle Westerman, and this is my introductory video. I am currently a high school social studies teacher at Winfield High School in Winfield, Kansas. The extracurricular activities that I'm involved in would be football and Clay Target Club that we have here at the high school. Some of the leadership roles that I've been a part of besides the sports is I'm a part of the curriculum council throughout the district. And I usually am on the high school side of what new classes need to be involved in the high school and whether they're good for our students or not. I'm also part of our one-to-one committee here at the high school where we talk about the new technology that is going to be involved at the high school or what needs to be taken away. The reason why I want to be an administrator is because I feel like the administration is at the top of that realm of where you can create a positive atmosphere for both teachers and students. And I want to be in that leadership role of where I can create a school that both the teachers come and feel comfortable and it's a good place for them to work, and then also where it's a good place and a safe place for the students to come and learn and feel loved. And I just want to be a part of that leadership role. In my personal life, I am married to another teacher here in the school district. She is the deaf and hard of hearing teacher for the county of Cali County, and she gets to travel around and work with kids that are deaf and hard of hearing, and she absolutely loves her job. And I'm also a father of two sons, one that's about to be 3 years old next month, and then my second son is going to be born here in the next few weeks, and so that'll be an exciting time, and it'll be interesting for my wife and I to work full time and then have two kids at the same time. I'm really excited about this class, and I'm hoping to learn from all of you guys and from the professors as well. Take care and have a great day.